We have become conditioned to be obstacle adverse. We do everything that we can to avoid the obstacle, to run in the other direction, to run around the corner, to build a different bridge. We try and figure out how we can escape the obstacle that is sitting in front of us. What if the obstacle is the way? The best life that we can ever live, the most authentic version of us, is to live as the men and women that God created us to be. There's nothing more real, there's nothing more authentic, there's nothing better, there's no more level of success than that. That is happiness at its finest.
One of the things that I love about CrossFit is they talk about this health continuum. And they talk about this idea that there is sickness, there's wellness, and then there's fitness. And we need to be pushing everybody down that continuum. We don't want to keep people on the verge of going back to being sick. And yet, our system is designed to only see them when they get sick. Even when we're talking about direct primary care, if I can just keep them healthy, then I don't need to see them. And if I don't need to see them, then I can make more money off of them, right? That's not the goal. The more we see them, the more opportunity we have to be proactive in their health. Because if we can catch them as their markers start to drive up and we can catch diabetes before it's diagnosed, we have an opportunity to prevent them from being on the medication in the first place.
What would happen if you made $50,000 today?
If I made $50,000 today, I'd still be worried about what's going to happen later on down the road.
So I'm so glad he answered that question that way, and I didn't load that up. But do you realize how ridiculous, I'm sorry to say it this way, but how ridiculous his fear is? He's afraid to sit here and learn and grow and enjoy because he's afraid that he should be out there working. But even if he was out there working and he earned $50,000, $100,000 today, he's still just as afraid as he was. Think about what your dream really is.